Are rolling.
Welcome to Jackson's room. This is my room. This is the Hornet.
The F-18 Hornet.
The F-18 Hornet. And
We just had a little missile break off from the bottom.
And this is
I think that one's technically the XR-71 Blackbird.
and this
It's
one.
an experimental plane. We're missing a cockpit.
This one.
One of the canopies is missing.
This one.
That's the Mirage in the
And
sky
see,
camo.
Look at all the stuff it can shoot.
Yeah, all the missiles have been broken off.
Well,
Then we got the F-14 Tomcat up here.
look at this. Look how many stuff is on here. Look how many.
Oh, the bottom of the F-18, yep.
And that one, the Tomcat, has a big rocket stuff. The bottom and a rocket on the center.
You did not do it?
And we got the little A4 up here too.
No.
A4 Skyhawk that Uncle Tom built. It's up there and a little beat up. What else is happening up here? Anything?
Dada.
Oh, you want to show the sky jump video too? This is Hot Wheels Sky Jump.
Let me turn it on. Let's see it. Go! I did my trick. Yes. What's that there? What's that? It's speed right there.
That's pretty crazy.
This one I got from the library at the train book.
Yeah?
Let me show you my train book. This is a truck book, a train book, and that's one of a big one. Let me find a big this train, that train in it. This is my princess book. Right there.
Your princess book, Benny?
Let me see.
Who's your favorite, Benny?
Find it. Oh, there it is. That's the one I was. See?
That's the big Santa Fe, right?
Yeah, and look.
Okay, cool. Well, that's it. Let's wrap it up. There's no other models in Benny's room, right? Yep. They're all in your room now because Benny didn't like them flying around. So, okay. Say bye-bye, guys.
Bye.